na lang.
It's paytime!
140 yan.
Going to the beach. Birthday boy. Happy birthday. Give, tulog.
Akit mo naman ang tower eh.
Let's go. Hindi pa po kami nakakapag-check-in. Tara, let's go.
It's covered with sand. Now I am checking in.
You're checking in. Did you put sunscreen already?
Yeah,
Saan tayo? Hindi dyan.
I got it.
Yan, dito po tayo sa tagpuan sa Liwa. Maliit lang siya and it's a good thing para konti lang kayo nasa resort. But the problem is walang parking kasi maaga kami. Let's go. Here is the tagpuan sa Liwa. Yeah. So small. And dahil nga, hindi kami overnight, nag-rent na kami ng kubo, hindi villa. So, let's see. We're here at the resort.
That's Daddy!
Ah, there's Daddy. But still, we haven't checked in. Kasi hindi pa time ng check-in.
Let's go there.
Diyan na lang may balik dito ang dito pa mo panay sa mo isang alas.
Ang mabait. Patay isang mabait. So, mabait. Ang mabait. Say, give, sing. Happy birthday, give.
Happy
Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, give.
Blow, you blow.
Wish. Yeah.
Where's Gun? You're blowing like put. Again.
Isa lang yun. Tapos may mga villa na doon banda. So, it's maganda na ito dahil gusto ko beachfront agad paglabas. Diba? Nice. Tapos pwede kang makaste. So, tara, akit tayo. Come here! Okay. Let's go, Gib. Let's try the hammock. Nag-enjoy ang bata. Nag-enjoy ang bata. Nag-enjoy ang bata. Nag-enjoy ang bata. Gan. May signal pa dito. Gan, saan ka pupunta? Malapit na kaming matapos. Pero mag-room tour muna tayo. Ayos na. Food. Isa kami kumain. Electric fan na galing dito sa taas. Meron tong second floor. Kaya 4 packs po to. Yung electric fan galing po dyan. So kasha ang dalawa dito. So kung madiskarte kayo, pwede yung isa dito. Kaso wala siyang phone. Diba? Yeah. The first floor. Pwede kasha din yung dalawa dito. Kung ma-discard kayo, 3. Pero 4 packs lang talaga to guys. Tapos may electric fan. So electric fan lang siya. And then yung sa labas. There is did you enjoy? Did you enjoy your...
I'm a birthday boy and I am digging with a saber to put sand in it.
How about daddy's surprise? Do you like the surprise?
Yeah, a
What?
McQueen.
What's my surprise?
It's a McQueen. It's a McQueen cake.
Kaya namin in-avail to 3-5 na kubo na 4 packs pero 6 talaga kami na adult and 2 kids kasi hindi naman kami mag-overnight. Pwede naman kaso pwede hindi rin. Kasi may clinic ako tomorrow and then may work yung iba. Tsaka okay na to, okay na yung day tour. And susulitin naman namin mamaya. Mamaya kaming gabi tapos nandito na yung sunset. Kaya let's go, let's time lapse. Let's go guys! Look at give kasi takot siya magbabad dun. Dito na lang. Gumawa kaming pool.
Daddy, can I get crab? Oh, there's a crab! Let's catch it! Let's catch it! Daddy!
What happened?
I made a hole from the
What are you doing? You put fence here. So the water will not destroy
Let's wait for the water.
your aquarium.
Let's wait for the water.
No, I want the water.
You want the water? Put some water. Put some water.
Put in water.
No water.
That's water, Daddy. That's water.
Get some water.
Why you put this water?
Napagod gan-gan na. Napagod yung gan-gan. Kakawa ng dalaw. Sobrang appreciate ko tong resort na to kasi very child friendly, tapos dyan lang sila maglalaro.
Am I in child?
Tapos may silong.
Child,
Siguro dahil
child,
Sunday kaya wala masyadong tao. Pero very good siya.
child.
And let's check the other villa. Okay. Kami dun sa pinaka-dulo. Gone. Ay, sakto pala yung kubo na ba yung GC natin. Ayan. Yun. Late reaction pala ako.
Leming birthday boy, lonely boy.
Mukha yung nakaili. Magpa-lonely boy yun. The other kubo. Ito yung pinakamura ang kubo nila. Tapos na pwede ka tambay dyan. Give. Are you sad? Why are you so lonely, Give? You're just relaxing. No swimming beyond 6 p.m. Kami nag-swimming pa. Pero kasi summer eh, so matagal-tagal talaga yung liwanag. Kahit nag-set na yung sun, maliwanag pa din. Maliwanag pa din yan. Oo! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Time-lapse yun na record ko. Walang iya. So, tutur ko kayo sa banyo ulit. Kasi na-appreciate ko yung banyo nila. So, let's see. Ito for girls lang to. They have 3 baths and malinis. I like it. Para sa ganitong accommodation na hindi naman talaga 5-star or at least 3-star hotel man lang, pero very good. And then they have sink para sa panghugas ng kamay and sipilyo. Then yan, hindi na siya time-lapse. Ayan. Hugasan lang ng kamay. Ah, diba? Ganda ng atmosphere ng ambience paggabi.